Good morning. I am going to make some blueberry muffins today because it's National Blueberry Muffin Day. So I thought I would share that recipe with you all. And yes, it does come out of the Better Homes and Gardens new cookbook, which is not new, been around for a long time. So that's just my version of this recipe, and my family loves it. So here we go. So you want to start out with, I doubled the recipe, so you're going to start out with 3.5 cups of flour. And I use self-rising so I don't have to add the other stuff. Don't judge me. This is the way we like it. And then you add 2/3 cup of sugar. And in my family, we have cookie forks. They're actual silverware from back in the day that's really silver. I don't use these to eat off of, but I love baking with them. So we're just going to toss that around and get everything mixed up. Then in another bowl, we're going to add our wet ingredients, and that is 1.5 cups of whole milk, 2 not scrambled, but 2 eggs, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. There might be a healthier way to do this, but again, this is how we do it. And then we want to mix that up and pour it directly into our flour mixture all at once. Get that all mixed in there. By the way, the music in the background is coming from my Alexa show, and I obviously don't own the rights to it. So then we're going to add 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries, and you can toss these in cornstarch or the flour that you use. I have done it without anything and it works just fine. So if you forget that step, this is so easy, you just don't need to worry about it. And this is a very easy and yummy recipe. All right, now I'm going to get our muffin tins ready, and we'll pop this in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes or so until it's golden brown on top. And I'll show you how I prepare those before I pop them in, because there's something a little bit extra that I add that some of us like and some of us don't. So I do half and half. Okay. I have prepared my muffin tin with avocado oil spray. Then I just want to take some of this, and I am sloppy. Other people are so much better. And I'm going to fill these not quite full, like so. Okay, I've got these done. And a couple tips. Make sure that your blueberries are good and washed. We've got some things in the news lately about unwashed fruit and catching parasites, so we don't want that to happen. I wash mine in baking soda. Some people wash theirs in vinegar. I really don't know which one is better. It's just what I do. If you have comments on that, I'd love to hear them. Please don't be mean. Be gentle. Just a home baker. Also, I'm going to fill these empty cups right here because I didn't have quite 2 dozen. So I'm going to fill these empty cups with water before I put them in the oven. And then the thing that I do that's a little bit different is I add a little bit of brown sugar to the tops of some of mine. So this pan is going to get brown sugar, and the other pan will be plain because one of my children does not like the brown sugar on top. And my children are spoiled, and I love them. So you can see I'm not putting a ton on there, just just to give it a nice little crispness, and it'll caramelize in the oven. So I'm going to put some water in this pan and I'm going to stick them in the oven, and I'll be right back to show you the finished product. All right, now I'm just going to loosen these, and they really don't usually stick except for where the blueberry touches the pan. I'm going to do this real quick, and we'll pop them out of here, and I'll open one so you can see how yummy they are. I let them rest for a few minutes, but not very long, because then they will stick to the pan. And yes, I am going to dump them out on my clean counter. You can dump them out on a towel, but the towel I have has white on it, and the blueberry will stain. They're firm, they're not hard. All right, here's the proof. Look at that steam rising. Is that not beautiful? There you go. Happy National Blueberry Muffin Day.